Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to
Pero
doggy.
mga nilalaro ko. Alam mo yung Dead Island? Favorite yun.
Yung gusto mo? Gusto mo yun?
Akin yung Dead Rising.
Video to.
Video ba yan?
Oo.
May kasama mo yung kanina sinabi namin?
Hindi, ngayon lang.
Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy. Oo, babalik yun eh.
Parang lasing na.
May bago akong Call of Duty Black.
Ay!
Battlefield 3. Alam mo yun?
Oo.
Ay, Teachy.
Parang may dala corner.
Ano teaching?
Tuturuan natin sa mga sabarkadas na mga skills na teach me how to doggy. Ang unang-una, okay. So guys, 1 to 8 counts. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
That's the concept.
1, 2, okay, 2, 1, 2,
Nakalimutan.
1, no, isa ba? Repeat mo sa akin ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
5, 6,
7, 8, and 1.
7, 8, and 1.
Okay guys, memorize nyo ba naman? O isa ba? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Memorize nyo na ba? Hindi ba? Isa ba? Okay. Ay, ba next? Uy, okay. Ano ba next?
Parang nakainom.
Okay.
Tapos ito.
1,
Hindi. 1, 2,
hindi pa.
4,
Tama na. 1, 2, 3, 4, you. Hey. Okay, get nyo ba guys? O isa ba? 5, 6, 7.
Tapos parang pwede yung okay sa bar.
Okay, may get nyo guys.
Okay, guys, cut na tayo.
Okay, isa ba? 5, 6, 7, 8. Teach me how to doggy. Ha. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You. Teach me how to doggy. 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, hey.
Napagod na.
Tapusin natin yung kalokohan nito.